Can't download apps from the App Store on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to network issues, Apple ID problems, or software glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the can't download apps issue in the App Store on your Apple Watch. So, not wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you're connected to your internet network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You're the same Wi-Fi in your iPhone and Apple Watch. You have a stable internet connection. Turn on and off airplane mode. After doing these things, follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on background app refresh. Go to the settings app in your Apple Watch. Tap General. Again, scroll down. Tap background app refresh. Simply toggle it on. If you see this feature is already toggled on. Then turn it off, and after 10 seconds, back into turn on. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase All. Solution 3. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again, tap Unpair Apple's Apple Watch. Then repair your Apple Watch. Hope you got the proper solutions to fix the can't download apps issue in the App Store on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.